Namaskar and welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So guys, if you can recall about the way you are collecting, you might be seeing a lot of countries coming up with a lot of commemorative banknotes. So commemorative banknotes are basically the kind of banknotes that are issued by the government or the authorities who are like issuing money in a country to like celebrate a certain kind of event or some kind of like building or some personality or something. So a lot of countries issue like yearly commemorative banknotes like to mark like certain important occasions and everything. But unfortunately or fortunately, India has only issued such kind of commemorative banknotes once, that is in 1969. So we are going to look in details the entire set of India's commemorative banknote and its features and everything. So as I said, this is the only commemorative set of banknotes issued by the India in the year 1969, commemorating the 100th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So like this was the year in which for the first time in the history of Indian banknotes, the image of Mahatma Gandhi was printed on the banknote. So hence this came to be a like really important turning point of the design of Indian banknotes. So in the year 1969, they issued like these five banknotes, one by the central government of the India, Ministry of Finance, and four by the Reserve Bank of India. So for the people who are watching this channel for the first time, or the people who are not much into the Indian currency, the 1 rupee note of India is usually issued by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, and rest of them are issued by the Reserve Bank of India, the Central Bank of India. All 1 rupee note, even today, the 1 rupee note and the coins are issued by the central government, not by the Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India issues the rest of the banknote, that is from 2 and above, and like that is guaranteed by the central government, but the 1 rupee is directly issued by the central government. Now let's look into what are these like five banknotes. So let's start with the denomination 1 among these series. So as you can see here, this is the one denomination banknote in the commemorative series of India. As you may be like noting, it has the image of Mahatma Gandhi here. So this is actually the image of like 1 rupee that is issued in the year 1969 for commemorating the 100th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So like every Indian 1 rupee banknote has the image of the 1 rupee that is issued in the same year. So in this year also, for commemorating the 100th birth anniversary, like if you are like looking here, 1869 to 1948 is written. So in 1969, that's his like life period. So he was like alive till 1948. So that's his like life period written. And this banknote is issued in 1969 for commemorating his 100th birth anniversary, as I was saying before. So on the top, it's like written Government of India, Bharat, and in the bottom you have to see it's not signed by the Reserve Bank governor, but Special Secretary of Ministry of Finance, IG Patel, has signed this thing. And this side, as I said, the Mahatma Gandhiji's picture is the portrait, side portrait is given and like written Mahatma Gandhi and everything. And 1 rupee is written in the center in a very stylized manner, and its number is like written here also. So if you are like looking in this way against the light, the watermark is of Ashok Stamba, like you can see here. The lion capital of India, it's like given in the watermark. So these are the features of this side. The other side, it also has the reverse side of the 1 rupee coin, with the Ashok Stamba or lion capital there, and India rupees 1 rupee. India 1 rupee is written in both English and Hindi. Bharat Ek Rupaya is written, and all like schedule in all the scheduled languages and languages that are usually found in the banknote, it's like written 1 rupee. And also Bharat and Government of India is given in the top portion. So 1 rupee is given in this part in English, and a rupee is written here in Hindi. On the top you can see like one here and here written in a very stylized manner. So the size of this banknote is 97 into 66 millimeters. Now let's look into the next banknote. So as I said, from 2 onwards, the banknotes was issued by the Reserve Bank of India. As you can see on the top, it's written Reserve Bank of India rather than Government of India. So these banknotes were issued during the period of 2 governors, that is L.K. Jha and B.N. Adarkar. So 2 governors signed in this series of banknote. And if you are like looking closely, you can see like certain things like in the bottom part, 2 rupees Reserve Bank of India is written in a clear manner, and the land capital is given in this side, and also the watermark is also line capital. So though rupiah is also written here below the watermark, which means 2 rupees, and the guarantee given by the Reserve Bank governor is also written here. In the center also it's like written in a very proper manner, and if you're like looking in it like against the light, you can see that it watermark of 2 is also given in the center along with a security thread. You can see this is the 2, as I said before, the watermark of 2 given. So this is the features of this side. Let's move into the next side. So here the commemorative image is given. The Gandhiji sitting in a podium reading a book in front of his house is given. The Reserve Bank symbol is given here along with 2 rupees written in different languages that are present in the Indian banknotes in this panel. 2 is written here as well as here, and 2 rupiah and 2 rupees is also written in both sides in English and Hindi. And this is the image of the backside. Now let's look into the 5 rupees of this series. The 5 rupees of this series is actually coming in a greenish color. As I said before, this banknote series was issued by 2 governors. That one is this one is the first one. As I said, you can see the first one is like signed by L.K. Jha. So this one is signed by B.N. Adarkar. So this is the second like Reserve Bank governor who has like signed in this particular series. So if you are like putting it against the light, you can see the line capital in the watermark and RBI written in a vertical manner. So that's a interesting security feature. This one, the 2 rupee one has 2 written. This has RBI written in a vertical manner. So this also has the security thread like this, and the Ashok capital. So rest all of the design is same. This difference is in between the RBI written in the security thread and the sign of the governor, as well as the color of the banknote. Also here, instead of like Reserve Bank and India written, it's like RBI given in a very stylized manner. So here also the Mahatma Gandhiji's picture similar to the 2 rupees is given, but in a green color. The design and everything is similar. One thing I forgot to mention in the previous session is that in this side there is a security watermark of 5 also given if you are like looking in the light. So in the side which has the Ashok Stamba, in the same side there is a 5 rupee 5 also given if you are like putting it across the light. So that's another interesting feature of this banknote. So this is the third banknote in this, the fourth banknote in this series, and the third one issued by the Reserve Bank of India. This is again signed by the B.N. Adarkar, who was the governor of the Reserve Bank at the issuing of this series of banknotes. And like you can also see the security features here include the RBI written in a slant manner like this. So instead of the vertical one which was shown in the 5 rupees, they like chosen the slant placing of RBI in this particular banknote. So that's another interesting placing of the security feature here. And also 10 also is coming here. I hope you can see it. So 10 also coming in this side, and rest so there is no RBI stylized manner written here. It's another design. They have like issued that like taken away that particular thing from this design. Everything else is same to that of the 5 rupees as we saw before, and the color of this is almost like brownish or blackish brownish color that they have chosen for the 10 rupees. And the reverse side has a similar image of Gandhiji sitting in the podium like that of other banknotes. And if you are like looking here in this side, you can clearly see the 10 written here and R also here. RBI is going in that way. So that's the features of 10 rupees in this series. Now let's move into the last banknote of this series. So the last banknote of this series and with the highest face value is of 100 rupees, and compared to the other banknotes which has a column kind of like watermark panel, this has a like straight watermark, like clean watermark panel without any kind of design on the top or bottom of that. On this 100 rupees is written in this side, and Reserve Bank of India and guarantee and everything is written in like in a very stylized manner. Bharatiya Reserve Bank, Kendriya Sarkar Dwara, and all those things. So the guarantee by the central government is written in a very proper manner. And this banknote of mine is also like signed by B.N. Adarkar. And the interesting fact about this bank is again the security feature. So the symbol that you are seeing in the 5 rupee banknote, something like similar to that is like coming in this banknote. So RBI is written in a very stylized manner in the security part of this also, along with the line capital in the side. So that's like another thing. And interestingly, 100 is also coming like here in the security form. Like these are coming like watermarks, not like in proper printing and everything. And the security thread is also going in this side. And now in the other side, a similar image of Mahatma Ji is given in a proper manner, and again if you're like looking, the security thread and everything, it can be like seen in a very clear manner. So that's all about the Mahatma Gandhi commemorative series of banknotes. The important thing that you have to remember is that this is the first and only commemorative banknotes that is issued by the government of India and the RBI in the year 1969. So I hope you liked today's discussion, and if you want to see more of such kind of discussion, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not be missing any such kind of informative and interesting discussion coming up through the channel. So till meeting with a new story about coin or currency, bye bye.